Did you know that you can easily take screenshots of your Apple Watch face? Maybe you want to save a notification or keep track of progress that you're making while using the Workout app. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to enable the screenshot feature and then how to take and view them. You can enable the screenshot feature in both the iPhone Watch app and on the watch itself. Let's look at the phone app first. Search and open the Watch app. After that, tap General here in the menu. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Enable Screenshots. Make sure that it's enabled with the slider here on the right, and then that's it. Next, let's take a look at the watch. First, press the crown on the right to get to the app list. In here, choose Settings and then General. Scroll down inside of here until you see Screenshots and then choose that. Now inside of here, again, make sure that it's enabled. And now that we have the feature enabled, we can now go ahead and take a screenshot. To do it, just press both the buttons on the right at the same time. The screen will flash, letting you know that it took a screenshot. Now that we've done that, I'll show you where to find it. To view the screenshot, just go back to your iPhone and open the Photos app. Head into your recent Photos album and you'll see the screenshot here. And that's how you enable, take, and view screenshots from your Apple Watch on your iPhone.